Good morning. This is T. Barku in Mechanical Engineering BTech second year first semester in SRT College, Anantapur. Today I will explaining about abrasive materials and ceramics manufacturing process in material science and metallurgy. Course content: Introduction to abrasive materials, types of abrasive materials, raw materials for abrasives, raw materials for ceramics, importance of manufacturing process, applications of abrasive materials, applications of ceramics, conclusion. Introduction to abrasive materials. Abrasive materials are used to grind, cut and polish surfaces. They are essential in various industries such as metalworking, woodworking and ceramics. Common abrasive materials include diamonds, corundum and silicon carbide. Abrasives can be classified into natural and synthetic types. Natural abrasives include materials like garnet and emery. Synthetic abrasives can be engineered for specific application enhancing performance. Overview of ceramics. Ceramics are inorganic and metallic materials made from compounds of metal and non-metals. They are known for their hardness, thermal stability and electrical insulation properties. Common ceramics products include tiles, bricks and advanced ceramics used in electronics. Importance of manufacturing process. The manufacturing process significantly affects the quality and properties of final product. Understanding these processes helps optimize performance and reduce costs. Continuous innovations in manufacturing techniques enhancing materials properties and applications. Raw materials for abrasives. Raw materials for abrasives include materials like bauxite and quartz. The purity of composition these materials indirectly influence these abrasives' effectiveness. Processing steps include crushing, grinding, and classifying these to achieve desired particle sizes. Synthesis and synthetic abrasives. Synthetic abrasives are produced through chemical processes like sol-gel and sintering. These methods allow for precise control over the material's properties. Common synthetic abrasives include alumina and cubic boron nitride (CBN). Raw materials. Ceramics raw materials. Common raw materials for ceramics include clay, feldspar and silica sand. These materials are blended to achieve desired proper physical and chemical properties. The quality of raw materials directly impacts the performance to final ceramic product. Forming processes for ceramics. Forming processes shapes ceramics ceramics materials ceramics materials into desired forms before firing. Common methods include pressing, extrusion, and slip casting. The choice of forming methods affects the density and microstructure of the ceramics. Firing processing ceramics. Firing processing critical step that involves heating ceramics to high temperatures. These processes causes physical and chemical changes resulting in hardened materials. Different firing atmospheres can be influence these properties of the final product. Quality control in abrasive production. Quality control ensures that abrasives meet industry standard and specification. Testing methods include hardness, particle size, distribution, and bondage strength. Continuous monitoring during production helps prevent defects and improve quality. Quality control in ceramics manufacturing process. Quality control in ceramics involves testing for mechanical strength and thermal properties. Techniques like X-ray, diffraction, and scanning electron microscopy are commonly used. Ensuring consistently in quality is vital for customer satisfaction and application performance. Applications of abrasive materials. Abrasive materials are used in grinding wheels, sandpapers, and sandpaper and cutting tools. They play critical role in surface preparation and finishing in various industries. New applications are continually emerging with ad- advancements and in technology. Applications of ceramics. Ceramics are used in construction, electronics, and medical devices. Their unique properties make them suitable for both structural and functional applications. Ongoing research is expanding the use of ceramics in innovative fields such as aerospace. Environmental considerations. The manufacturing of abrasive and ceramics can have environmental impacts. Sustainable properties include recycling materials and reducing emissions. Campaigns are increasingly focused minimizing their ecological footprint. Future trends in abrasives. The future of abrasive materials includes the development of nano abrasives. These advanced materials offer improved performance in precision applications. Research is also focused on eco-friendly alternatives to traditional abrasives. Future trends in ceramics. Advances in ceramics technology are leading to development of bioceramics. These materials are being used in medical implants and tissue engineering. The field also exploring smart ceramics that respond to environmental changes. Challenges in abrasive manufacturing. Challenges include maintaining product consistency and addressing supply chain issues. The demand for higher performance abrasive requires continuous innovation. Abrasive manufacturers must balance cost effectiveness with quality and performance. Quality and performance. Challenges in ceramics manufacturing. Ceramics manufacturing faces challenges such as brittleness and processing complexity. Development new forming and filing techniques can mitigate these issues, ensuring scalability of advanced ceramics production remains significant challenge. Conclusion. The abrasive materials and ceramics manufacturing processes are crucial for various industries. Continuous research and development are essential for overcoming current challenges. Innovations in materials and processes will drive future advancement in both fields. Reference and further reading. For more information, refer to industry publications and other academic journals. Online resources and webinars provide provide insights into current trends and technologies, engaging with professional organizers and offer networking and learning opportunities. Thank you for watching video.